The renovation of Olumo Rock in Abeokuta, Ogun State has transformed the historical site into a more attractive and tourist-friendly destination while maintaining its deep cultural and historical significance. Known as the ancient fortress of the Egba people during intertribal wars, Olumo Rock now blends its heritage with modern upgrades that make it more accessible and enjoyable. The facelift includes improved walkways and stairways for easy climbing, enhanced safety rails, and better landscaping that highlights the natural beauty of the rock. The elevators, which make it possible for visitors who cannot climb to still enjoy the view from the top, have been refurbished for smoother operation. Tourists can now explore with greater comfort thanks to the upgrading facilities, resting spots, and viewpoints. Additionally, the surrounding environment has been beautified with cleaner space, well-structured sitting areas, and improved shops for souvenirs, crafts, and traditional Adire fabrics. These changes not only boost tourism but also support local traders and artisans, strengthening the cultural economic of Abeokuta. With this renovation, Olumo Rock is set to attract both local and international tourists in greater numbers, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and adventure in one of Nigeria's most iconic landmarks.
What's up, great people, I'm Dennis Chukwuebuka Okeke, aka Onyenjem of Africa, and I am inside Olumo Rock. Now this is the renovation of Olumo Rock. I'm going to allow you to watch this video, but my review here is, yeah, they really try. Yeah, I will give it from 100%, let me say 80% over 100. They really try. And one thing that you need to know about this place is that I give them kudos, is that they're always neat. Olumo Rock is always neat. Like, they are keeping everywhere so clean, so neat, so beautiful, so beautified, and they have already created more. Should I say protect the staircase, in the sense that it's more easier for kids of 2 years, even though you are 1 year, 3 months, and as far as you're able to walk, you'll be able to hike to the top. You'll be able to hike to the top. So, and other parts, you know, they really touched this Olumo Rock. And I today, being 14th of August 2025, I heard that it's going to be free exploration from now till next month. So if you're out there, I advise you to come right now to explore. Okay. And one thing that you need to know is, after this September, because it's going to be from now till September rather, so after September, I don't know how much will be their gate fee. So, but the thing there is that they really try about, like, they really try making this place more beautified. Especially that part that the road, I love Olumo Rock, like, you know, giving it this pretty sweetest look. Even though you are from far, you'll be seeing the beauty of Olumo Rock. So guys, I'm going to let you to watch the rest of this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and comment on Onyenjem TV. See you on my next edition. Guys, watch the rest of the video and tell me your own point, your own review, because I make sure I touch every part of Olumo Rock. So tell me your point, tell me what you think, tell me your own review about this place. So guys, see you on my next edition. But meanwhile, watch the video. Thank you.